Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Tony, and I'm back in the dungeon. Got something sweet for you. Without further ado, let's get into the shoe. Air Jordan 6, Carmine. Ooh-wee. Check it out. Check it out. Can you smell it? Smell good. Let me drop that real quick. Let me put that down real quick. Alright. Nike Air branding on the back, of course. Got that bloody toe, you know what I'm saying? Carmine hints on the side. Icy sole. Super icy sole. I don't know what to say. I mean, it looked good. It looked better than the pictures. Take a moment. One of the hottest releases this year. And it's only February. It's only February, y'all. Like, come on. Let me get the other shoe out. So, y'all know, I'm gonna let you know, I had to go through a lot to get these. Like, I had to cop a size that wasn't my size, sell them, and then get my size. It was ridiculous. A little bit of that after the B-roll. Coming at you right. There was like mad controversy at the spot I went to for these because the red was bleeding on the midsoles on a lot of the earlier pairs. So a lot of the pairs got sent back to the factory. Some of them actually got sold to consumers, but not me. I got lucky. No bleeding on my midsoles. It's not pink. So put a little thumbnail right there so y'all can see the bleeding midsoles. And so I had to wake up at the butt crack of dawn to get this pair of shoes. Well, not this pair, but another pair of shoes. I had to wake up super early, stand in line, camp out like ridiculously long for, I wanted my size, but I ended up with a size 12. So what I did with that size 12 was immediately put it on StockX and sell it, and then buy my size 10. It's ridiculous, but I got mine. So I say it all worked out, you know. Worked out for the best, but hey, it be like that for a sneakerhead, man. So that was, or this is, Air Jordan 6 Carmine, originally released in 1991, worn by MJ, won his first ring in this model. It's fire, straight fire. Like always, thank you for watching Unboxed on T and Tony TV, and I'm out.